This video is going to demonstrate the unboxing of a 10 kilowatt hour low voltage Soluna battery pack. This is how it comes packaged from the factory. It's got a wooden crate. I don't think you can fit forklift forks in that space right there. I had to manhandle this thing. So just be advised, it does weigh about 225 pounds. Once you open the package, you'll see some plastic wrap. You'll see the back mounting strap comes right out. Take this nice little piece of foam off here. You have a cutout of the battery itself that can be used when you mount the battery on the wall. And the rest of the box is the battery itself and some more mounting hardware. I've got it all displayed here on the side. So once you get everything taken out, this is what it looks like. You've got the two mounting feet if you were going to mount it off the ground on the wall. You've got some anchors, concrete anchors to go in a brick wall, various little screws. You've got there's two data cables in here. I'm not too sure of the length of them. They look about 5 feet long each. These fit on the feet here on the side if you wanted to bolt this down with concrete or whatever you had it sit on. And this again is that top strap that bolts to the back. Now we're going to swing around and look inside the waterproof cover for the battery. So that little cover right there, it's got some rubber grommets on the bottom to keep everything watertight. This is an IP65 rated battery. It fits in right here. You can pull these little plugs out and stick your cords in there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 for your large battery cables, and then some more for data cables. This whole device screws on just like that and then comes right off. Inside here you'll find your CAN buses for the data cables. You'll find at the top there in red some dip switches. You've got a fuse here. Not 100% sure what that's used for, if it's used for anything. I don't think I'm even going to make any changes to that. Got a little plastic cap here for the battery terminals. I believe these are 5/16. You're going to need to make a terminal for your battery on there. That's it. Now we're going to move on to what the parallel boxes look like. Ooh. Here is the Soluna parallel box. And again, this is the low voltage version, and I am located in the United States. All right. So you're going to have the box and some adapters and some hardware in there. Once you get it all taken out, this is what it looks like. You've got mounting hardware. You have an instruction quick guide. You've got a little wireless receiver with a little mounting bracket. This looks like a data cable. I'm not 100% sure why there's an extra one. It looks like it looks like it'll fit in the end of that, but haven't installed it yet. I'm not 100% sure. I'm probably not even going to use this stuff. More mounting hardware. And then inside the box, this is what it looks like. So you've got a bunch of CAN buses right there. You've got where your 4 batteries are going to attach, and then where you're going to attach your main battery cables to go to your inverter. These are these smaller ones are 5/16. These are 1/2. You've also got a grounding plate right there. You've got a bunch of, these are M32 sized knockouts right there. There was a small discrepancy on the instruction manual that shows these already coming with the cable glands, but the product doesn't have cable glands. It just has the knockouts. You got to provide your own cable glands. And that's another thing. There are no instructions, no battery instructions, and no parallel box instructions in the boxes, as you can see. So you will have to contact Soluna to get those instructions. And the next segment is going to be the unboxing of the Hoymiles inverters that these will all be connected to. So that should be coming up here shortly.